Okay, so next part पे आते हैं guys. हम लोग we find the highest power of factorials, but in this case we will be taking composite numbers. Okay, so let's understand. Okay, find the highest power of 6 in 100 factorial. Okay, अब तक guys जो भी हमारा highest power हमको निकालनी थी, okay, उस particular number की, that number was either a prime number or it was a power of prime numbers, right? तो solve करना काफी easy था. But यहाँ पे we talk about composite numbers. Like 6 is a composite number. It's formed by 2 and 3. Basically 2 into 3 gives you 6, right? Okay. So 6 जो होगा guys अकेला 6 के टेबल से फॉर्म नहीं होगा, right? Powers of 2 and powers of 3 will combine to form powers of 6, right? So हमको exactly यहाँ पे यही चेक करना है guys. Powers of 2 कितना है and powers of 3 कितना है? Okay, that many will combine together to form powers of 6. Okay, मैं एक example लेता हूँ guys. Let's say 3 factorial का. Okay, देखो guys 3 factorial में 6 आता भी नहीं है. Still it contains one power of 6. कैसे? 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So this 3 and this 2 combine to give you one power of 6, right? So without there being a value of n factorial that contains 6 or more than 6, there is still one power of 6 present here, right? Okay, so this itself proves that we need to check powers of 3 and 2 and combine them to form powers of 6. Okay, दूसरा example मैं लेता हूँ guys 6 factorial का ही. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, इससे एक 6 तो यहाँ बन ही गया, right guys? एक 3 और 2 combine होके आपको एक और 6 देंगे. So 6 factorial will contain 2 powers of 6, right? So the highest power of 6 in 6 factorial is nothing but 2. Okay, so यहीं से हमको समझ में आता है guys, powers of 2 will combine with powers of 3 to form powers of 6, right? एक और example लेते हैं. Let's say if you talk about 12 factorial. Okay, 12 factorial में क्या होगा guys? 12, then उसके बाद 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, तो अब मुझे बेसिकली 6 के पावर्स फॉर्म करने हैं, राइट? सो आई टेक दिस 2 into 3. पहले ये एक 6 हो गया, एक 6 तो यहाँ पे है ही है, राइट? नाउ वी हैव अ 9 हियर, राइट? 9 विल कंबाइन विद दीस टू. ओके, दिस 8 एंड दिस 4, या फिर इसी 8 से पूरा कंबाइन कर लेगा. तो 9 into 8 72. बेसिकली 6 के दो पावर आ गए उसमें 36. Okay, so 36 is basically 6 ka square. Okay, and 12 also guys contains one power of 3, right? Because 12 is 3 into 4. ये किसी भी even number से combine हो जाएगा, किसी भी एक 2 के multiple से combine हो जाएगा. Okay, and then will give you 6. या फिर यहीं पे देख लो आप, यहीं से 6 मिल जाएगा आपको, right? So what is the highest power of 6 here guys? Okay, the highest power of 6 here is 1 2 3 4 5. Right? So in 12 factorial the highest power of 6 is basically 6 raised to the power 5. Okay, now 12 factorial में highest power of 2 निकालते हैं हम लोग guys. Okay, so 2 6 are 12. उसके बाद 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, adding these powers we get 10. So the highest power of 2 in 12 factorial is 10. Again, if you divide 12 with 3, you will get the highest power of 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. So the highest power of 3 is 5. Guys, हमने ऑब्जर्व किया 6 की हाईएस्ट पावर क्या थी? 5 थी, राइट? ओके, अब देखिए कैसे बनती है 6 की हाईएस्ट पावर 5. ओके, सम पावर्स ऑफ 2 will combine with 3 power 5 and form powers of 6, right? ओके, अब देखिए गाइस, सिंस हमारे पास 3 की पावर कम अवेलेबल है, उतनी ही पावर 2 की कंबाइन होगी, राइट? ओके, टू फॉर्म पावर्स ऑफ 6. So very carefully we observe that the highest power of 6 will be nothing but the highest power of 3 only, right? So यही चीज यहाँ पे हम लोग करने वाले guys. We'll observe the highest power of 2, जो कि हम पहले निकाल चुके हैं इस क्वेश्चन में 97 in the previous part, पिछले क्वेश्चन में, and we have also found highest power of 3 in 100 factorial as 48, right? So what we are going to observe is only 48 powers of 3 will combine with 48 powers of 2, right? Okay, so they will generate only 48 powers of 6. So the highest power of 6 will be same as the highest power of 3 as I proved some time back, and that will be 48. Okay, let's go on to the next part. Okay, एक और example लेते हैं ऐसे ही हम लोग. Find the highest power of 12 in 50 factorial. Okay, अब 6 के केस में बहुत सिंपल था ऑब्जर्व करना, 2 and 3. बट 12 के केस में बहुत थोड़ा ध्यान से करेंगे हम लोग. 12 को पहले स्प्लिट करते हैं एज 2 कोप्राइम्स. ओके, अब 2 कोप्राइम्स स्प्लिट करने का पर्पस गाइस ये है कि अगर इफ यू टेक लेट्स से 4 and 3, ओके, दे आर कोप्राइम्स. इफ यू टेक 2 and 6, ओके, तो 2 में 2 भी 2 के कुछ पावर्स फॉर्म करेगा, 6 भी कुछ 2 की पावर्स फॉर्म करेगा. इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू कंबाइन देम, राइट? So what we do is we starting से ही we split the powers, okay, of all the prime factors and take them separately. 3 की powers अलग लेंगे, 2 की powers अलग लेंगे. Okay, so we split 12 as 2 co-primes, 4 and 3. Okay, which is 2 square into 3 in this case, right? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे guys, पहले 2 square की highest power find करेंगे, okay, and then 3 की highest power find करेंगे. Okay, so highest power of 2 in 50 factorial this we have already found. Okay, if not let's do it right now. वैसे हम निकाल चुके हैं ये. Okay, just for practice I'll do it once again for you guys. Okay, so this will be 2 25s, 2 12s, 2 6s, और it लगेगा I guess 2 3s are and 2 1s are. Okay, when you add all these values you get 47 is the highest power. So guys 4 की highest power कितनी होगी ये भी हम निकाल चुके हैं उसकी half, right? And box, so 23.5, box is 23, that is the maximum, right? Okay, now highest power of 3 in 50 factorial is basically 22, right? This also you can calculate. I think ये निकाला नहीं है हमने, but yes, you can calculate this, okay, if you already have it. So ये हो जाएगा 3 16s are 48, 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 16 plus 5 plus 1 is 22, right? Okay, now 22 powers of 3 will combine with only 22 powers of 4, right? So 22 powers 3 की सिर्फ combine हो पाएगी 22 powers of 4 के साथ ही, right? एक power 4 का बच जाएगा. So the maximum power of 12 will be basically the power of 3 itself, which will be 22. So the highest power of 12 in 50 factorial is 22. Okay.